Oh, great. 2 more ingredients after this.
Okay.
Yep. Okay, you got it.
2 more. 2 more ingredients, and then it's finished.
Tell me what's in this, like, that you remember.
Brown sugar.
Brown sugar.
Cayenne pepper, mayonnaise, mustard,
no, guys,
ketchup.
you don't get anything else. These are the last 2 ingredients.
Relish,
Icing sugar and
sprinkles.
There's fish sauce in there.
Yeah.
You guys are gross.
sprinkles.
There's like 5 different kinds of salad dressing.
Creamy blue cheese dressing. Is Caesar salad dressing?
Delightful. Careful, Elias. Stop.
Just a little bit.
No, stop.
Okay, now I'm gonna mix it. Yeah,
Jenny's
mix it.
mixing. That looks delicious.
Yeah, that looks good.
Wow,
good.
that's amazing.
No.
Oh, no.
Yucky.
And who's tasting it?
Not me.
Not me.
You tasting it, Sam?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Elias has
Elias
to
has
go
to.
outside, guys. Yeah, Elias
Yeah,
has to.
Jenny, bring this outside. Okay,
That's absolutely.
we're going outside.
Okay.
Oh no.
Okay, we're outside.
You have to eat a
Okay.
spoonful.
Okay.
Okay, let's
Now first smell
that.
First smell it.
Nope.
Smell it first.
That's interesting. Oldest first.
So you two
Hey, Elias.
have a tiny bit.
Do it.
No, I'm gonna have all the red. What is it?
Did you get a peppercorn?
That's good. 3,
That's
2,
good.
I mean it.
1.
Okay, Ben.
Seriously.
I mean it. I love that.
Are you gonna spit or
That
throw up,
tastes
or does it
amazing.
taste
I
nice?
love
Gross.
That's so good. That's so yummy. Yucky.
Not your thing.
And Sam. I got a peppercorn. I know.
You could actually.
Sam. Sam. Sam.
Show it to
Sam.
the camera.
What do you think? Did you like it?
Yeah.
Was it delicious?
I'm gonna throw up.
I love it.
You liked it? Ben's gonna puke.
I feel like I might want more of that.
I got all of it.
Did you taste it?
I might want more of that. Oh, that is gross.
I love it.
No, give it to the baby.
I'll have that.
Okay, here.
I'll have all of it.
Okay, here. Eat it.
Oh, Ben's like actually puking.
Oh!
Oh my goodness.
Wow. High five.
I'm gonna.
Wow, Sam, that is
Good job. That was impressive.
Ben's eyes are all watery.
Yuck.
Oh boy, good job.